Hey friends, it's Ashley from Nutty Reviews, and today we're unboxing Piquant Post. This is a monthly spice subscription box. Each package is $11.99 and includes 4 recipes and 4 spice blends from one different region every month. So they travel the world and they bring you back a whole bunch of delicious spices, small batch organic spice blends, and you create wonderful flavors. Don't know what this one is. We are finding out together. Not my plant. All right. They did recently update their packaging, which I thought was really cool. And this month is, let's see here. It looks like Turkish. I don't think I've ever done this before. I've never really done Turkish food. So, you learn something new. All right, so our first recipe is Turkish Kofta with Kiki, which is Kiki is that yogurt dip, which is so delicious. It's like dill and yogurt. Oh, I hope we can make it ourselves. Yes, yes, yes. Ooh, I'm so excited. I may make this. So this one uses the Sweet Nigella blend, which is, let's find that. This is the packet. And in this packet, they include Nigella seed, cumin, pasilla chili, sumac, which is one of my absolute all-time favorite spices. I love sumac. I love fattoush dressing and fattoush salad. And fattoush, one of the ingredients is sumac. The other is pomegranate molasses. One of my favorites. Just love it. If you have a chance to get some, get it. Also has mustard, red pepper flakes, cinnamon, mace, cardamom, and star anise. So this looks delicious. And I always make one of these, so if you're interested in seeing that, I will link my full review below. I'll also link to Piquant Post with my affiliate link so you can check them out. All right, next we have, this is Turkish quinoa salad, or kisir. And this one looks like it's more, almost like a lunch, I want to say. Maybe not, I don't know. But the prep time for this is really 10 minutes and then cook time 15. This one, prep time is 10 and then the cook time is 10. Wow, these are really simple. All right, so this actual recipe, Nutty Sumac Spice Blend. There's so much sumac. I'm so excited. All right, so this is the Nutty Sumac Spice Blend, and this includes sumac, paprika, Aleppo chili flakes, white sesame seed, cumin, and allspice. I am pumped for this. Oh, I am pumped for like these blends, these flavors. I love it. Oh my gosh, probably my favorite so far. All right, then we have Minimun Turkish Scramble. So this looks like it's a 5-minute prep time, a 15-minute cook time. So a total of 20 minutes. These are they all 20 minutes? No, the next one's got a little more complexity to it. And that's another thing I like about this subscription. It kind of takes you through like novice recipes, harder recipes, so that like on a Tuesday night, you can still have a really great dinner, but not have to come home from work and work for 3 hours in the kitchen. But then there is also other recipes where for a Sunday dinner, you can go and have those extra couple hours where you have the time to spend in the kitchen. You know what I was saying. You know what I was saying. All right, so this recipe looks delicious. It looks a little bit spicy. This uses the Urfa biber. I don't know how to pronounce that word. I'm gonna have to look it up. Biber spice. So this, ooh, look at that. This is just Urfa biber chili peppers. I've never heard of these, and I was right when I said this is spicy because this is just chili peppers. Ooh, is there any other spices? No. So this, by the way, this scramble includes 5 eggs, a sweet onion, a red bell pepper, garlic, Roma tomatoes, baby spinach, olive oil, butter, the biber spice, salt, and crusty bread. Ooh, that sounds so yummy. All right. Our final recipe is stuffed eggplant, or imam bayildi, and it looks good. This is harder though with my kids because they don't like eggplant, but it does have feta cheese, which is like one of my favorites. Ooh, maybe I just make it for me and the husband. All right, they use the Turkish herb blend. So this is the Turkish, how pretty that spice is. This includes dill, mint, garlic, oregano, Aleppo chili flakes, cumin, and fennel seed. I am super pumped. I'm going to tell you guys, I probably will make that very first recipe because that looked just very delicious to me, and I just want to try it. I just want to try all this stuff. I want to try it all. So if you're interested in my full review, I will link to that below. I will also link to Piquant Post so you can check them out. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye!